Hey friends, if you wish to print in the portrait orientation on Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the interesting thing is that the portrait orientation is the default one. Even if you go to the layout, the orientation is portrait by default. I mean, you can change it to landscape, but this is not the original one. The original one is portrait. Why? Because this is the most appropriate orientation to print on A4 size. Okay, so if you're printing on A4 size, in portrait orientation is the best, and that is kind of the standard. So if I click on file and select print, you'll notice that in this section under settings, portrait orientation is the default one. Okay, and then you can click on print and it will start printing in the portrait orientation. Again, if you wanted to change it, my suggestion is to change the orientation on the layout tab itself to whether you wanted to landscape or portrait, and then write accordingly, because the dimensions will be in that accordance. You'll get an idea on what it would look like when you would be printing it. I mean, you can check it on the print preview page, but by the time you are getting the preview of the document, it would already be too late. So this is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.